What's going on, everybody? Mr. Xauusd Marcus Willpower here, and I'm back again with another video. This week's video, uh, we're just gonna go through again DXY and gold, see what happened last week, see what we can expect, uh, and yeah, and just see what's happening. My voice might be a little low. I'm kind of sick right now. That's why today's video is coming on a Monday night. Usually I do it over the weekend, but I couldn't because I wasn't feeling too good. I'm still not feeling too good. But hey, it is what it is. We just have to go through the motions and keep pushing. Uh, Last week was NFP week. I didn't trade NFP week. I'm trying to incorporate that into my trading rules to just skip NFP week and trade the next week. So yeah, here we are. This is just the DXY. So previously on the DXY, we were wanting it to reverse from this order block right here, but we seem to have invalidated the order block, which is fine. Uh, we still have another order block that's up here. Uh, so from what I'm seeing on the DXY, I'm still expecting it uh, to to sell off, to go short, so to tap into this order block and then start seeing some bearish movement. That's my bias on the DXY for now. Uh, Only if we do get a break above this zone or a spike above this zone, and then I'll be looking for buy opportunities on the DXY. But for now, I'm still bearish on the DXY only if we break this previous high or if we pin engulf with the wick, then I'll switch my bias to bullish on the DXY. But for now, I'm still bearish on the DXY, looking for it to come into the zone. This order block right here and sell off. So yeah, that's the DXY. Today's video is gonna be super short. I'm not feeling too good. Um, so going back to gold, we've been in this area right here. So last week, I think the market was yeah, the market was somewhere in here. Last week when we did our weekend market analysis, and this was NFP week. So if you take a good look at NFP week, look at these spikes. Look at these spikes. And these are H4 spikes. So look at these spikes. Look at these spikes. Look at these wicks. And these are H4 wicks. So if you look on H1, there were four green and red candles pointing in each direction. And it's a big toll on your psychology if you're not really strong. So that's why I'm trying to avoid NFP week, because there was NFP and FOMC in 1 week. So what do we learn from this past NFP week? Uh, if you look at market structure on the H4, this was our previous high, and then this was our previous low. The market uh, rallied up and just spiked above our previous high. If you look over there, there's just a small spike, a small spike, a small wick. I call it a pin engulf. I call it a pin engulf. So the market just pin engulfed the previous high and gave us a new high. Right, let me just do that. And gave us a new high over here. So for me, when the market breaks structure like that, or when I see a pin engulf, such as this, immediately I have a setup. It's called break of structure, significant base engulfed. So BOS SGB. So BOS SGB, I'm expecting the market to come back lower, retrace lower, and then buy off. So I'm expecting the market Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, this was the NFP move, and then today, Monday, we moved lower. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm expecting another move lower into this uh, buy zone, and then I then get that bullish movement. I can then look for that bullish movement. So that's what I'm looking for on gold. I'm expecting gold to buy Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Reason being, we had a break of structure with this pin engulf, and we're expecting the market to retrace into this low. If we break this low, then we might be reversing from here, but we'll see when we get there. But for now, yeah, that's my bias on gold. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys. This is one of my trade book or trade plays, BOS, SGB. And then another trade play that I usually have is change of character first DP, which is one of these. And should be somewhere there as well. Let's see. Yeah, change of character first DP. So yeah, tomorrow I'm looking for gold buys, looking for the market to come into here, show some reversal patterns, and then we can look for those buys. If you look at the market structure here, the market has just been low key just consolidating the whole January, late December into January. So it's been a month of almost like sideways movement. So we're expecting some sort of direction now into February. So yeah, let's just look at the news. This week is pretty clear. I like to trade when the news is pretty clear like this. There's no news, just market forces acting on themselves. I prefer a week like this, and we just have unemployment claims at 3:30 on Thursday, which is fine. If we look at the sentiment right now, majority is long, minority is short. Uh, like again, sentiment and is just part of an analysis. It's just another driving force of the market. Like we look at the DXY, we look at gold, we look at sentiment because we're trying to look at all all sorts of influences on the market. But for now, I'm just going to trade what I see. Of course, the sentiment is saying short because I always want to be with the minority. But again, I'll just trade what I see. I always like for the sentiment to be on my side. It's just a boosting factor to my technical analysis. But for now, it's not on my side, which is fine. I'm looking for gold buys tomorrow. Yeah, this is just a short video. I had to just knock this out. It's part of the consistency. Every single week, I need to pump out a video. I need to analyze. I need to track my trades. So yeah, tomorrow bullish move from gold. Still looking for DXY to reverse and go bearish. If we do break these zones, we'll look to trade after that. But for now, we're just trading what we see. So yeah, that's all from me, Mr. Xauusd, Marcus Willpower here. I hope you guys enjoy the video and yeah, let's go.